Welcome to today's video, everyone. Gonna be a little quickie. We're working on the truck again, as you can see. It's my 2001 Ram 3500. Been in the process of doing kind of budget rebuild on it. And previously, I repainted pretty much this side, did some body work on it. Body work, got new headlights, redid the grill a while ago. And same over here. All this crap, which I just noticed, it's gotta be coming off the hood. I can't figure out, it comes off. It's just like really irritating, but it rained the other day. No biggie, whatever. Anyway, so the truck's looking honestly pretty good. There's still a few areas that you can notice. I'm not going to point them out because I don't like to notice them. But one of the big eyesores right now, we got nice headlights in here. The grill and bumper, what I meant to say, is it's looking all right. Although one of the big eyesores right now, this grill. Obviously, she's seen better days. Good old just OEM grill. And it's also kind of holding on. Well, it's trying to hold on. This side's bolted down. This one, not so much. So went ahead and hopped on the good old reliable eBay and we picked up this guy right here. So this, gonna replace that. I think it's gonna look pretty sick. So the idea is, I don't know if I want to keep it like this. I might repaint the outside white, but that's not for right now. That's for a later time if I need to. The idea is to kind of tie in black headlights, black grill and everything. And I think it'll look pretty good across the front. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get rolling. I'm gonna pop the hood and try and figure out how this thing gets installed. All right, so you guys can get an idea on the back here. Got all these little bolts and everything that hold it on. On this side, that's where these guys go. And I mean, that one's broken off. That one's broken off. Clip's broken off. So yeah, obviously it's seen better days. So I'm gonna go ahead and get cracking, throw in time lapse, get this thing off, get the new one on. We'll see how it looks. Call it a day. Pretty easy. I do have some bigger stuff coming. I did actually wind up ordering the lift kit for this. Lift kit, more like a level kit with little 2-inch blocks in the rear, 3 inches up front. Should get it a much better stance than it has now with these, well, slam 2-wheel drive look. So I'm looking forward to that. Without further ado, let's go ahead and knock this out first. hope you enjoyed that. I figured it's been a long time, never really had the truck out for anything like this. Honestly, it's never looked good enough to earn anything like this. So there you have it though, the grills on the truck. I think it looks pretty good. So catch you in the next video. If you like what you see, feel free to subscribe. Well, I'll see you around. Take it easy.